So I just do a video again because I need to put the flowers. I forgot to bring the flowers. And let's put happy birthday. Sorry guys, my nose. I kinda let's put that. Sorry. Anyway, get this. That's Cupid. I need to organize in here the table, guys. I need to do the stuff. I just sit up this a little bit so that, and I just add the flowers because I almost forgot it. So I just sit up because there's some cellophane behind it. So see you later.